Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Love with Food tasting unboxing for the month of September. I can't believe it's September already. Please excuse my hand, there's paint all over it because I was painting at the old house. Yes, I still own it and have not closed on it yet, but soon. Soon we will be done with that house, hopefully. So the first snack in the box are sour raisins. And this is the blue raspberry. I have not tried this flavor. Cute little Halloween packaging. But I didn't think I would like sour raisins, but man, they're good. We got some over the summertime when they were sending school lunches home with the kids. And we had like watermelon flavored ones and they were so, so good. So next up we have spicy peri peri air dried beef stick. Definitely love beef jerky of all sorts, so I will enjoy that. I don't think I've tried that brand before. Then we have no grainola, one honey met maple. Cool. That will be delicious, I'm sure. I'm already a fan of these. I haven't had this flavor. ZZ's Campfire S'mores Soft Baked Bar. That sounds really good. Raylan's a very picky eater, but I can normally get her to eat the softer grain bars, so we'll probably share that. Then we have a Health Warrior Chia bar, mixed berry with acai. Only 3 grams of sugar. These are a favorite. I've gotten these before. Mini cookie little mustaches by the Belgian boys. Those are pretty good. Of course, they're cookies. Can't really go wrong with that. Then we have Paleo Puffs. This is Himalayan pink salt flavor. Yum, yum. I used to give those to the kids when they were like babies, just learning to eat food because they're safe for them to eat. And the last thing, I believe, is Off the Eaten Path. Chickpea Veggie Crisps. So it's rice, chickpeas, peas, and black beans. Made with real purple sweet potatoes. That's interesting. And sometimes we get coupons or little advertisements in here. There's one for Bright Cellars for wine if anybody wants that. And wineawesomeness.com. Very cool. So if you guys are interested, I have a link below. I have a playlist, all their information in the description box, so make sure you check it out. There's also 2 links below for the coldest water bottle. One is a giveaway link. The other one is a link just to check out their store, purchase anything, and there's a promo code as well. I'm loving this water bottle. Carry it everywhere with me. So that's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.